We should make our analog to the 20 kilo ohm. The good value of the spark plug must be between the 5 kilo ohm to maybe the 10 kilo ohm, because it's like a 5 kilo is a 5000 ohm. The good spark plug value should come like 5 kilo ohm. Other bad symptom for the spark plug is zero resistance. When we make our analog to the continuity test, it must not come like this beep sound. It should not be in continuity. There should be have some resistance for the good spark plug. So I think it's better to change the genuine one. So I changed the new four spark plug.